This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Kia Stinger louder. The most effective way to achieve a more aggressive exhaust note is through modifications to the exhaust system itself. We'll discuss the primary components that influence sound and how they contribute to the overall volume and tone. It's also important to be aware of local regulations regarding vehicle sound levels to ensure compliance. When considering exhaust upgrades, you'll typically encounter two main options: catback and axleback systems. A catback system replaces everything from the catalytic converter rearward, including the mid-pipe and mufflers, offering a comprehensive sound transformation. Axleback systems, on the other hand, only replace the muffler section, providing a more subtle change. For maximum volume, a catback is usually preferred. For those seeking an even more aggressive sound, aftermarket downpipes are a popular choice. These replace the restrictive factory downpipes, allowing for greater exhaust flow and a much louder tone. Additionally, a resonator delete, which removes a specific sound dampening component, can further amplify the exhaust note. These modifications can be more complex and often benefit from professional installation. Before making any changes, it's crucial to consider a few key points. Always opt for reputable aftermarket brands known for their quality and precise fitment. Listening to sound clips of various setups can help you determine the ideal tone for your Stinger. Finally, professional installation is highly recommended to ensure everything is correctly fitted and functions safely, maximizing your enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.